Python, Windows, and multiprocessing. I have a Python program originally built on and for Linux, which I'm now trying to port over to Windows. I am running the program in a virtual environment which contains all of the dependencies. My program is installed as a Luau with pip install find links wheels my underscore module. The program is launched with the base underscore module loads my module as interpreted by the arguments provided, and his relevant code is This has worked fine in Linux, but on Windows I get the following exception. The latter error is caused by the unexpected early termination from the forking and sync manager, where the true error is being unable to import other custom class. I have confirmed that other custom class exists in the base underscore modules folder within venv/lib/site packages, and this error isn't happening when I launch the module first, as Python would never reach the instructions in main or init if the script wouldn't compile. I've done some research, and I know this problem has hit other people, often using third-party libraries, who fixed the issue without posting the solution. It seems to trace back to Windows' lack of a fork, and Python's handling of multiprocessing on Windows. See also, this URL. But I'm at a loss as to how to fix this. This is the latest Python 2.7 branch, 2.7.8, running on Windows 7 x64.
You can work around this by using an absolute import for other custom class. I'm not exactly sure why, but it seems that when multiprocessing spawns a new process and imports your underscore main underscore, it's not able to handle the implicit relative import you're using with other custom class. If you explicitly import it from base underscore module, it works fine. My guess is that the spawned child process is not recognized as being part of the base underscore module package, so the implicit import fails, but that's just a guess. Note that you shouldn't be using implicit relative imports anyway. They're altogether removed from Python 3, so switching to an absolute import isn't a bad thing. Also of note, that doing an explicit relative import works on Python 3.4. But it fails on Python 2.7.
Yeah.